What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. I'm excited for today. We're in the truck right now. We're in the Duramax. Every time we drive this truck, it means we are picking something up. And today I'm getting something, hopefully, if it all works out good, that I've been needing for quite a while. Let's make this 1 hour and 10-minute drive out to good old Idaho and go check out this item. All right, we're done with the drive. We are in BFE currently, and I'm very, very excited. This is not a car. That's why I'm so excited, because I've never bought one of these things before. All right, we got the old girl loaded up, and I am excited. I'm gonna have to step out of the truck to show you this big old thing that I'm towing. I was gonna get just an open deck. I went through stages. Initially, I was gonna get a 16-foot, just a flat open deck trailer, and then I went to like a 20-foot dovetail, then I wanted a 20-foot tilt, and that 20-foot tilt never worked out, and then I found this 26-foot enclosed. It's a big girl. Let me show you. I wish it was black, but I'm not gonna complain because we got ourselves a big old bitch. This thing is massive, and I'm very excited. Let's pop inside real quick. She's got a little box inside, like a cabinet type of thing to put parts in and whatnot. Got a little vise here. It's pretty clean. Got some random carpet on the ground. But yeah, I am stoked, my friends. We have been needing some sort of trailer for a very, very long time. I keep using my dad's, and it's a far drive. You'll get it every time. And I figure I'm getting to the age, I'm gonna be 28 here soon. I'm getting to the age where I need to buy my own shit. So now I got my own trailer. For the first time ever, I can't see around my trailer. How do these tow meters come out? I think they look ridiculous. I know some people like them, but I actually need them because I'm actually towing. So I only bought this trailer for one reason, Jared. You know what that reason is? No. I bought it for you. Every time you break down, now your car can go in the enclosed.
Hell yeah. Maybe I won't lose more clear coat now.
Yeah, that's a big bitch, isn't it?
Dude, that looks so nice.
We need a giant, massive Vossen wrap.
Hell yeah.
Right here, and then, bro, imagine a Vossen drip logo on the back here. Just a big bitch right here.
This thing is sick, dude.
It's
That's
busting.
so nice. Damn.
I'm hyped.
I bet.
Do not!
I was hoping you would come check out my new trailer.
Okay. Can I look at it in like 5 minutes?
Just explain what that is so they understand and they won't care.
Well, I got a micro needling done to my face.
It's really a stab your face.
Needles into your face. It's a facial, but also you make fun of me when I say that. So this is just a mask to help my face be beautiful.
Okay, now let's go look at our new trailer.
Baby, can we please wait? Jamie, tell him to leave me alone.
Maybe Jamie will come look at my new trailer. Jamie,
go look at his new trailer.
would you like to come look at the new trailer, Jamie?
I don't really care about your trailer.
How come no one cares about my trailer as much as I do?
Baby, I care about it, but I don't know where it goes.
This is where we're gonna go to Portland in. Look how big she is.
Holy, that looks like a horse trailer.
I'm not. Oh my god, look at all the bugs. Oh shoot. That's long.
Yeah, I tend to have pretty long things in my life. You want to try to tow? You want to tow her?
I prefer not to tow.
You don't want to tow? Someone's gonna have to learn to tow, either you or Jared.
Yeah, oh, we need different wheels and tires immediately.
I was thinking TEs or 57 Extremes.
Sure.
All right, open her up and you can have the experience.
What do you mean?
You just gotta pull it down.
Does it come down like that?
It's a little dirty, I still need to clean her out a little better.
Whoa, holy cow.
So here's what we gotta do for a quick mod list. We need some mods, right? That cabinet's gotta go.
Yeah, it's actually quite crusty.
I'm gonna put some, probably just one.
Ooh, we need a light bulb.
There's light switches back there.
Oh.
I'm gonna put just one on the wall, maybe like on the corner or something. I'm gonna do it like a nice winch setup right up front for when I buy shitty cars that are always blowing up and I don't have to sit there and hand winch them on. Maybe some wheels and tires, electric jack up front. I'm gonna make it dope.
I really do like this one.
And then I'm gonna put my bed right here so whenever you get mad at me, I can sleep in my trailer.
We should honestly just like make like to right here, like make this all insulated and like a bed and stuff.
Yeah, that's the trailer tour. You like it?
Yeah, I really do like it.
I'm stoked. Quality. This is a quality interstate trailer. How is it?
The only thing I didn't like is she did scrape a little bit going in.
I was hammering down.
Yeah.
I can always raise the front with the jack, so I'll drop the back down so it'll be flatter.
Yeah. Ooh, I love the E85 smell though.
How does she look in here?
Really good.
Is it gonna fit my, could I put my truck in here? Titties, absolute titties. Decided to give the old Duramax some love before our next big road trip. Oil change, wash, clay bar, and just a quick wax on it. She's good to go. Looks quite nice, chilling next to the trailer. So one of the main reasons why we decided to purchase a enclosed trailer, we're gonna be doing a lot more events this year, and first event is in a week. We are having a Vossen Apparel booth at the Slammed Enough event down in Portland, Oregon, which I'm very, very excited for. So Bobby, myself, Jared, is going to be down there. Bobby's sister Jamie might come. She might work the booth. And with that being said, we are bringing 2 cars. One of the cars is supposed to be this car. We need to get so much damn work done on this thing. It is insane. We have less than a week to get this entire car finished up. Still need to get it driving. We have not driven the car yet. I still need to get the entire thing vinyl wrapped. I haven't even showed you guys the vinyl wrap. The whole car has to be retinted. There's insane amounts of work to get done. So let's finish off what we started the other day with the carbon fiber re-clearing. Our Duluck trunk turned out really, really nice, but I do want to go ahead and give her a nice flat sand and polish it out and see how much better we can get it to look. Even if we put it on like this, I'd be happy. Don't mind the water spots on it. She got a little wet when I was washing the truck. Wasn't gonna show you guys this, but I gotta show you guys this. I got completely sidetracked for like the last 4 hours, and I don't even know if I'm gonna get around to the trunk tonight because this is how my shop currently looks. All this shit right here. These are all literally just empty boxes and junk. Most of it's junk. There's still some good stuff in here, but pretty much all of it's empty boxes that I was just, for some reason, keeping up top. I'm a hoarder at heart, and I realized I need to clean up my shop. We have a ton of spare parts that I need to organize that are actually good parts that need to go on the shelf. Why I have empty boxes, I don't know. This is quite crazy. We have shit everywhere. I think I had 5 OEM Evo 10 intercoolers, 5 OEM exhaust manifolds. I have an Evo 8 turbo kit I don't need. There's so much stuff. Well, 3 p.m. turned into 10 p.m. real quick. I still have not started sanding on the trunk like I was trying to do, but my shelf is much more organized. I got rid of a ton of stuff. We have way more shelf space now. I can actually get junk off the ground and up on the shelf. The main reason I wanted more shelf space is because the garage at home, which I promised myself and I promised Bobby as well, that I would not fill with car parts. And currently it is completely filled with car parts. So I want to bring them all here and put them all on the shelf. Didn't have space for everything. She's quite full, but we got most of it. It is now the next evening. We spent a long time just kind of reorganizing the shop. I got hangers up there for bumpers, hanger over there for a bumper. Here's the back wall. Much more organized. All the stuff is now out of the house. We have a giant pile of parts from my guys over at MAP for a future build that you guys have not seen yet. And then each one of these is kind of sectioned out. Bobby's Evo 10, Bobby's STI, wide body 10, all the oils. You guys get the point. It ain't perfect, but it's so much better than what it was. Let's go ahead and knock out some flat sanding on this trunk. The mirrors turned out good enough. They turned out perfect, essentially. So we do not need to do any sanding on those. And the front bumper, the grill section, turned out perfect as well. There's a little bit of dirt here and there, but I'm not gonna worry about it because it's very intricate. I just care about the trunk. So let's go through, get it cleaned up. Then we're gonna sand it down with 1500 grit on the DA with an interface pad, and then 3000. And then we can smack down a nice polish on it and she should look mint. I might mount it up on the car for this, but I'll do what I can while it's off the car. But the first thing I did, I just grabbed some 1500, sprayed the trunk down with water, did a light just scuffing on it, and that brings out all the little dirt nibs that you can see one right there. So we're gonna go through, denib the trunk, get all the dirt out of it, because if we start wet sanding it with dirt in it, dirt is gonna get stuck in the sandpaper, and that'll cause some pretty deep scratches. Currently going through and knocking down the orange peel with 1500 on the DA, and let me show you how we know it's not flat enough yet. Flat enough for my liking. See this right here? It's very, very dull and flat. And then you come over here, there's still some shininess. We want the whole thing as flat as possible. So I'm gonna keep going until the whole trunk looks like this right here. No shiny like that, just flat. All right, so after the 1500 grit was all finished up, I went ahead and peeled off the masking tape and went over the entire trunk again with 3000 grit. Now it is time to polish this thing out. So what we're gonna be using to polish is our Rupes Bigfoot polisher. I freaking love this thing. I'll link it down below. It's the sickest polisher I've ever had. I have been liking the Rupes compounds and the Rupes pads, but I do not have any currently. So I also like the 3M compound, but today I'm just gonna be using the Rupes, the blue compound with the yellow pad, and this polishing compound. I'll probably slap it on the orange pad and possibly the black pad. Trunk is finished up 100% and she looks insane. Let me grab a light and I'll show you guys how it looks. Look at that carbon. This thing turned out so freaking beautiful. I don't even know how I did this. I did spend a very, very long time just now polishing this thing out, and I'm glad I did because it turned out freaking perfect. Of course, we still have the 3 holes, but I am very, very proud and excited of what we were able to accomplish with this trunk that used to be red. I need to get this thing all prepped out for the wrap. We are gonna be starting the wrap on this car tomorrow. So with that being said, I need to get it off the lift and cleaned up and washed and disassembled tonight. It's very, very late, but I am way behind on this car for the event coming up next weekend. This thing is completely gutted and cleaned, clay-barred, ready to go to start getting it wrapped tomorrow. It's already the next day. It's past midnight. Gonna wrap it up here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comment section below of the new enclosed trailer. More excited about that than I am with all these new cars we've been getting. Peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow.